When Leon was about age 12, an old trapper in northern Saskatchewan hired him to be responsible for checking some of their traps. Each trap was a bit different, but they all had the type of a lever where you could push to open them. One day he managed to spring a beaver trap on his hand. Opening this particular trap required you to push down on two springs at the same time. With one hand stuck in the trap, he was unable to do it himself. He managed to pull out the stake that held the trap in place and walked until he found someone who could help him get free. It wasn't a fun experience, but it was a memorable one. As he watches people's reactions to certain situations, he's often reminded of this. Some people seem to have the mindset on the negative, like a trap that springs shut when it's tripped. Their mind snaps on the negative when it's triggered. For example, when you compliment some people, their mind immediately flips to all their flaws, listing 12 things they could have done better. When you compliment others who do not have their mindset in the negative, they respond with gratitude for your encouragement. They are able to accept the compliment. Is your mind trapped in the negative? Practice focusing on the positive today. If the negative thoughts about yourself or about someone else pops into your mind, replace it with something positive. When someone gives you a compliment, accept it.